Hey there! How's it going, everyone? Hope you're all doing great and enjoying your time. Today, we're back with a new video on our channel, and we're going to learn together how to make a special and super delicious dessert, which is creme caramel. But before we start, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. And don't forget to support us with likes and comments. We really appreciate it. So let's start by preparing the caramel sauce. First, we need to take some sugar, about 1 cup, and put it in a pan on low heat. We'll start stirring the sugar continuously until it completely melts and turns a beautiful golden color. Make sure you keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn, because if the sugar gets too dark, the caramel will have a slightly bitter taste. Once we get the golden color we want, we'll take our cake mold, where we'll be pouring our creme caramel and evenly pour the caramel sauce into it. Let it cool for a bit until it sets. Now, let's move on to preparing the creme caramel mixture. We'll need 8 eggs, and we'll crack them into a large bowl. Then we'll add a teaspoon of vanilla to give the mixture a delicious flavor. After that, we'll add 2 cups of sugar and start mixing the ingredients using a hand whisk or an electric mixer. Whichever you have is fine. Mix until the sugar is completely dissolved and the mixture is smooth. Next, we'll take 4 cups of milk and gradually add them to the mixture while stirring continuously. It's important to mix well to get a smooth and consistent batter without any lumps. Now, we'll go back to the cake mold where we poured the caramel sauce and pour the creme caramel mixture over it. But wait, before we put the mold in the oven, there's an important step to make sure the creme caramel cooks perfectly. We'll take a larger baking tray than the cake mold and fill it with hot water, then place the cake mold inside the tray. This method is called a water bath, and it helps the creme caramel cook gently without cracking or drying out. We'll place the tray in the oven, which we preheated to 160 degrees Celsius, and let the creme caramel cook for about an hour and a half. Once the time is up, turn off the oven and leave the tray inside for a bit to cool down gradually. After it's completely cooled, take it out of the oven and place it in the fridge for at least 4 hours. But it's even better if you leave it overnight to get an even richer taste and texture. Now it's time to serve. Flip the creme caramel onto a serving plate and you'll see how the caramel sauce flows down beautifully, adding a fantastic look and flavor. I hope you enjoyed today's video and found the method helpful. Don't forget to share your creations with us in the comments or on social media. Finally, a big thank you to each and every one of you for your continuous support. If you liked the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. See you in the next one with a new and delicious recipe. Take care.